It's long, like it's a little layer in here, but not too much. So I do want to just trim this about here and bring it up to about there. Let's see, we got this one here and the ends right here. I could also add some layers up in here. Let's see, out there. Okay, so now on step 2, define. Use my mousse, put the mousse all over. Now as you can see, the ends are not finger coiled because those are not a texture. They have to put those in the wig. If you want finger coils on the ends of your wig, you gotta put them back in there after you wash it. If you want them right out the pack, you can't wash your wig, okay? You can spray her down with a little dry shampoo to help with that smell, use some hair perfume, but as far as them staying in the wig, once you wash the wig, they're gone. I didn't get no tangling with my wash. I did get some shedding though. Use my finger and coil the ends like that. Again, if you want the finger coils after the wash, you gotta do them yourself. Make sure I get my root, coil that around. I'm gonna do my other side and then we're gonna move on to step 3, which is diffusing. I saw a girl do this and I want to try it. She used a wide tooth comb to fluff her hair and she said, or at least she claimed, that it fluffs out a lot better than the pick. So we're gonna see. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, so I want to kind of bring it up like this, give it a little bit more body around the wig. I feel like it's working already. Okay, maybe because it's a wider space or something, maybe. But it seems to be working. Still a little damp under here. I gotta get my blow dryer up there. The hair is very soft. Take off the band so I can see how the hairline is looking before I finish up my fluff. Ooh, looking good. Again, it's a mold, not a hold. So y'all see how they're kind of molded? I like it. Take off my clips. I want a little higher lift in my front. I mean, I could use some bobby pins to kind of hold this back, kind of hold it back here. Because the hair is very lightweight, I'm gonna use a little bit of my volume hairspray to finish out the look. This is 180% density, my goodness.